looking at the embodied process of putting pen or pencil or marker to paper, what I call draw. Because your body is the roadmap for your transformation. We look to the body for guidance, and guidance comes in feelings and sensations. So as you go inward, as you bring your attention and intention into your body, you simply ask, what part of my body wants to have a conversation today? I don't need to know why. I just honor who comes up and says me. And so today it was my left shoulder, which has been a little grumpy. And feeling into that shoulder and putting my pencil down on the paper, I simply began to draw what I felt, the energy of what I felt. And just keeping my attention mostly inward. Yes, where my hand is moving with the pencils, but mostly this experience is coming from the inside out. And I'm following where the conversation from my shoulder is taking me. And it actually took me over to my heart. And for reasons that my mind will never understand, there is some connection between the hurt in my shoulder that's reflecting an old hurt in my heart. And again, I don't need to know why. I just need to follow the process. Because the embodied practices are energetically based as well, as I'm untangling this story between my shoulder and my heart, energetically, I'm also allowing flow and communication between my shoulder and heart. Later on, I may have a little aha, that's why. But we're not looking for the ahas. We're looking for our body to guide us. And simply in this exercise, by having a couple pens and pencils and an inward focus.